Hello, I'm an OP Minecraft man, and yeah, okay. Anyway, oh, what am I doing? So, it's sort of been a long time since I made a video. Probably since like maybe Monday or something. But yeah, so come check it out. Let me try to I don't know why it's so. I need to open the blinds from so high, but I mean, okay. Hope I don't know if you can try to see if you guys can see it, but okay. Now we're already a minute in, and I'm just struggling to show you something. Okay. So, be patient with me. Okay, if you guys can't see it, then I give up. But hopefully you guys can see there's snow outside, so that's awesome. Yeah. But this is kind of wanted to tell you about the snow, but there's something else we could do. I don't know. Well, my friend Rex can tell you hi. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Hold on. I'll think of something. So, I guess for once my game has a little bit of glare. Here, let me try to fix that.
Turn off the lights. Yeah.
Here, I'll see if that works.
But the keyboard.
No, I don't know. I guess we'll have to go with the glare. See if I can, like, turn down the... I don't know why people say that. Okay, let's get to it. It's like I'm not recording. It's recording, right? Oh, I love this one. I mean, I know what I'm playing, but yeah, I love this game. Make him move. Yeah, you can still watch, I'm just saying. That is basically the part of it. Basically, you just click on animals and stuff like that. And just knock the elephant off. Wait, I forgot. Wait, was there another timer? Ah, no. Anky danky. That's not entirely what I meant to do, but... Hi! There we go.
Oh, what?
I know this one. Like, I know this game, so... I mean, it's not really that bad. It's not that hard. This is kind of a tutorial. I don't know what the thing about the... like that. And sorry for killing... Whoa, I did not realize it was that bad of a player, but I'll have to do. There you go. I like penguins, they're fun.
Why?
No, I mean, they're not that fun in real life, but penguins. Oh, I love this one. Boo! Booyah! No, this has a bit of... Jump away. I figured that'd be a little Oh, I love this one. Die, elephant. I love that one.
I love his eye doing.
What did I just do?
I don't like your sleep. Get out! Your hole. This is not your hole. This is not you. Blink.
Cow. I'm trying to spin in my chair.
Level complete.
Oh yeah, I hate this one. I swear, if I would have gotten like first try, that would have been amazing. Die, die. Aw, come on. Just move. Ah!
I hate that music.
Yeah! Die, elephant, die. Perish. Yeah, there we go. Whoa, that was really quick, okay. That was actually really quick. I don't know what that had to do involving the cow, but
Yay!
I don't really care.
Level complete.
Kind of like, okay.
Pick up, pick up, pick up, pick up, pick up.
Oh. Let's see, well, how many minutes are we at? We're at 7.
Elephant. Take that, elephant.
Take that, you meanie elephant. I told you to get up for Thanksgiving. And do you listen? No? You're late for Thanksgiving. And now we have to kill ourselves to get you up. I mean, guys, can you imagine anyone who would do that? Who'd be late for Thanksgiving and then we have to kill ourselves to do that? I mean, who does that? I mean, who fails like this? I mean, come on, I'm totally watching this. Not really. No, pig, don't do this! You never had to do this anyway. Wow.
Cow. No, stop. Oh, cow.
Ah, you annoying pig.
You annoying cow. Stop falling. Stop. Ugh. What?
Oh, no!
Maybe pig first and wait for the cow. What?
Well, like, how are you supposed to do that? Oh, that's how. Like, how are you supposed to do that? Oh, that's how. Okay.
What is this? Bing! Bing! Are you kidding me?
Oh, I was so close, too.
Piggy, you're so mean.
Boom, boom, boom. Piggy power stinks.
Piggy power stinks.
Piggy power stinks. Stinks. Well, I guess doing it even earlier isn't gonna do anything.
Come on, kill
Oh, Nathan. You don't like that elephant. You're late for Thanksgiving again!
Why are you living in Thanksgiving? I don't want you to live in a Thanksgiving. It's not Thanksgiving anymore for you. It's Thanksgiving for us.
Ah! Elephant! Just die already! It's not even funny. It's annoying.
But you funny. You just laughed too. Just a little
You're
bit.
right. Good point.
Big. Don't die. Don't die.
Yeah! I swear, if you fall back asleep, I'm gonna punch the screen. Not okay. Well, not really, because my dad would kill me. So yeah.
Like, if you kill him, wait.
Oh, it's good. Oh no, it's not. I don't know. It's good. Why didn't it even move? It's not good.
I hate the clouds.
Ah, you annoying clouds!
You're annoying.
I know. I tried to. The one time I actually did make it.
That was close.
Okay, I totally touched you. Game, I'm gonna rage quit right now.
Hooray!
I take that back.
Yay!
I thought I was gonna live and just land on the clouds.
I don't know why I do that. Whoa, whoa, woo!
Ah, I was too late.
Maybe the penguin has to do it by himself.
Hey, I'm doing. Well, that didn't really work at all. See now. Ah, no. I'm beginning to think that this isn't even possible. Oh my gosh! Elephant, just get up for Thanksgiving!
Why is Thanksgiving?
Okay, I'm just gonna try this without the TV. Well, that apparently doesn't work because the owl didn't do it right. Oh wow, you just like. Whoa! Oh, that was sick. See now, what is that supposed to do any helping? This level's not even possible. Wait. Okay. Okay, that will wrap it up for this video. My name is OP Minecraft Man. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I think we're about 3 to 4 subscribers, probably 3. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so yeah. My name is OP Minecraft Man. Have an amazing day. Goodbye.